hi there. Welcome to our gun shop. Hunter? Alrighty, I got the perfect gun for you here. This is a handgun. Shoots perfectly, already loaded. Clank already, already ready. So yeah, I got this 33 per point, 33 miles, however you say. Losing track here today. Yeah, but it does shoot perfectly. Yeah, so, this is, so why don't you come outside and we could, see what you got, okay? So, yeah, follow me, sir. Great job, sir. Great job, great job, great job. Great job, sir. Thank you for following me. Okay, so, right now, we are having a sale on Buddha. This is, like a target. You can use that as a target, too. Craftsman. This is also on sale if you also do tools or anything like that. Yeah, so, you like this? Yeah, 29 bucks. Thanks. So, let's get with the gun. This is 144 bucks. Yeah. So, yeah, let's just see what it shoots at. So. There you go. That's one bullet gun. The reason why I like this gun is because you got a good good texture on here. You see that? And it shoots fast. It shoots perfect. And when I'm here, I take my time. I take my time showing the people how to shoot. And I gave them this case full of bullets when it's not full right now. But, yeah, we will make that full and everything. But yeah, man, so yeah, you get the bullet full cases. That's free because we're already charging you $144. So yeah, man. We also do have this shotgun here. Let me just move it. You'd also like this. This one has a nice grip too, right there. Nice one. They do sound good. This one comes with, you get a bunch of stuff here with, a bunch of bullets, just like I say, you get a bunch of bullets with them. So yeah, if your son enjoys this too, just watching you, hunt for a little bit, we also do have some kid guns that, we also do have this military suit, for to hold your guns and everything, in there. Here are some bullets. I might as well just pack those for you now. One fell. So, yeah. Some big walkie-talkies, one. And then, two good walkie-talkies, Hey, what's up, Roger, we just carry these around the job. Not that bad. I like these a lot. So you were like, no? Alright. The total is 250 bucks. Not that much for everything, not gonna lie. If you think it's a lot, then that's fine with me, but, yeah. Okay. So this one is for you. No kids guns or anything that you would like for him? No? Alright. Okay. Nice gun packaging. And how you turn this on? Just by that power button right there. So, we also do have this scanner here for scanning, all that stuff, but you probably don't want anything in a cup. $2.50? Alright, thanks. Alright, thanks. Yeah, you're good. You're all good to go. But yeah, enjoyed having your time. Yeah, I enjoyed it. I really did enjoy having your time. I have this little frog for your kid if you'd like it free. You would? Alright. And, would it? Free? I'll make it free. Yeah? Alright. So, I just made everything right there, and you are all ready to go. So, yeah. Thank you, man. Peace out. Peace.